Acceptance and commitment therapy, commonly known as ACT, is one of the fastest growing evidence-based therapies in the world. And that's because it's simple, it's practical, and it makes a real difference in people's lives. In this 6-week introductory course, I'm going to take you step by step through the nuts and bolts of how to do ACT effectively, both with your clients and on yourself. You'll find videos, therapy demonstrations, beautifully crafted animations, a wealth of handouts, scripts and worksheets to use with your clients, audio exercises, plus an interactive forum where you can ask questions and get expert feedback. You'll learn simple practical skills to help your clients handle difficult thoughts and feelings far more effectively, how to live mindfully guided by their core values, and how to take effective action to build a rich and meaningful life. One of the wonderful things about the ACT model is that it's process-based rather than technique-based. This means that you can use it as a comprehensive model for dealing with the human condition, or you can take bits and pieces of it and use it to enhance other therapies that you already know. So all in all, it's a very flexible and creative approach, and as you learn it, myself and my team of co-trainers will be there with you every step of the way. I hope to see you online very soon.